Hello friends, my name is Kinjal Bhavsar, lecturer in EC department from VPMP Polytechnic College. Then subject name microcontroller, then unit name introduction of microcontroller, and topic microcontroller architecture. Then these are the objective. In this I explain microcontroller architecture, different types of architecture like von Neumann architecture, Howard architecture, RISC and CISC architecture, then comparison between RISC and CISC architecture, full form of RISC, complex instruction set computer, full form of RISC, reduced instruction set computer. Then first of all microcontroller architecture, first of all microcontroller definition. So what is microcontroller? So microcontroller is essentially a small computer on a chip like any computer. It has a memory and can be programmed to do calculation. Then it also receive input and generate output according to calculation. But unlike a PC, it incorporate memory, CPU, peripherals and input-output interface into a single chip. Then next, different types of architecture. First, von Neumann architecture, Howard architecture and RISC and CISC architecture. First, von Neumann architecture. In this architecture, common memory for storing data, programs and final result. And in this, store program in the same writable memory that data was stored in. Then in this architecture, single unified cache which store both instruction and data. Then in this architecture, computer design model that uses a single storage structure to hold both instructions and data. But in this architecture, separation of storage for processing unit is required. That means in this architecture, common memory for storing the control program as well as variable and other data structure. This is the diagram of von Neumann architecture. In this diagram, CPU is connected with same memory, that means ki common memory, program and data. Then this is a register space of von Neumann architecture. In this, two types of space, memory mapped input output and separate input output space. In memory mapped input output, same memory for program ROM, input output register, variable RAM and stack RAM. But in separate input output space type, input output space is separate, but program ROM, variable RAM and stack RAM is one. Advantages of von Neumann architecture. The hardware requirement is less. In this, storing or modifying the program is simple. Then in this architecture is more suitable for simple and very small application because it has a common memory for program and data. But some disadvantage like code storage may not be optimal. Then it requires multiple fetches to from the instruction. Then next architecture is Howard architecture. In this architecture, separate memory banks for program storage, program stack and variable RAM. Then Howard architecture support parallel operation. So what is a parallel operation? Means parallel processing means fetching of next instruction and execution of current instruction are done simultaneously. That means ki parallel processing, execution of instruction is faster. Then in this architecture, execute instruction is fewer instruction cycle than von Neumann architecture. Then in this architecture, two separate memories for storing data and program. Then complete an instruction in one cycle. That means ki only one instruction cycle is required for one instruction. Then in the first stage of the pipeline, the instruction to be executed can be taken from memory. Then in the second stage of pipeline, data is taken from data memory using the decoded instruction or address. Then most of the modern computing architecture based on Howard architecture. Then this is a diagram of Harvard architecture. In this architecture, central processing unit is connected with data memory and program memory separately. Then advantages of Harvard architecture and disadvantages of Harvard architecture. So advantages, this architecture uses separate memory for program and data. Then speed of fetching operation is very high in this architecture because it contain parallel processing operation. Then because of separate address and data stream, there is no need to have any time division multiplexing of address and data. Then execution of instruction is fast in this architecture, but it has some disadvantages like the hardware requirement is more, storing or modifying the program are complex when compared to von Neumann architecture. Then next architecture is RISC and CISC architecture. First of all, full form of RISC. RISC, that means ki reduce instruction set computer. Then a microprocessor CPU design that favors a smaller and simple set of instruction that all take about same amount of time to execute in this architecture. Then this architecture operate at a high speed, means perform more millions of instruction per second. Then in this architecture, a large list or set of computer instruction tends to make microprocessor more complicated and slower in operation. Then CISC architecture. CISC, that means ki complex instruction set computer. Then in this architecture, instruction set which each instruction can execute several low level operation like as a load from memory, arithmetic operation, memory store, all in a single instruction. That's why in this architecture easy to program and make efficient use of memory. Then earliest machine were programmed in assembly language and the memory was slow and expensive. Then this is the difference between RISC and CISC architecture. First difference is full form of RISC and CISC. So first, reduce instruction set computer, and second means CISC, that means ki complex instruction set computer. Then second difference, small number of instructions is required in RISC and large number of complex instructions required in CISC architecture. Then instruction take fixed amount of time for execution in RISC architecture. Then instruction take varying amount of time for execution in CISC architecture. Then in RISC architecture, few instruction are modes, and in CISC architecture, many instructions and modes. Then in RISC architecture, multiple register sets are available. Then in RISC architecture, single register set available. Then RISC architecture is means uses for on software basis, and CISC architecture is for hardware basis. Then RISC architecture contain large code size and low cycle per second, but CISC architecture small code size and required high cycles per second. This is the difference between RISC and CISC architecture. Thank you.